In this episode, we're going to try and fabricate a full-length underbody skid pan for my mate's MGB GT, completely out of scrap. Right, let's run VT. The last event we did together was a Hero ERA navigation rally, and we had to go down a really bumpy lane and you could just hear the bottom of the car bottoming out the whole time. So when we got back to service, we had a look at quite a few other cars, and yes, they've all got underbody protection, so we thought we need to do this.
Oh, it's a few years of shit on here, mate.
Because we're making this up, I didn't want to actually start making the thing out of aluminium straight away. We needed some sort of template that we didn't mind hacking up and making mistakes on. And I use this. This is just like, I don't know, sign material. It's a laminate. It's got plastic in the middle and aluminium on each side. Luckily, I've got access to an awful lot of this stuff. You can sort of bend it to a certain extent, and it cuts really, really nice, but you can't bend it too far. Oh, otherwise it will snap. Or because I was looking at these, see the bolts that hold the bottom arms on.
Just about, I'd say just slightly wants to go to my right. I'm looking at
what the base or this bit?
This end a little bit.
The
just,
front.
Next to nothing. Though.
Which way?
To the wall. This way. Pretty even, or is it?
Yeah, I find these transfer punches super useful. I mean, these I think are really actually designed for woodwork. You just slot them in the hole and it makes the pin in the middle. However, I have made some of these in the past, which is literally just a bolt that I sharpen a point on the end and then cut it off. And the beauty of that is you could just wind it in to the thread that you obviously want to align your bit of material up to. You smack it with a hammer and you've got a center punch exactly where you need the hole to be. Yeah. Yeah, you just stick them in the hole, and then it just means
exactly where you want.
Yeah, there's no guessing. Exactly, there's no guessing.
Nose cones on it, and then really plummeting into the water.
Believe it or not, this whole project took us about 7 hours, just making the template and the brackets and everything else. I think it would have been a lot quicker if you weren't gassing about rallying and cars, but hey.
Exactly.
So it doesn't need much of a bend, does it?
No.
It won't need much.
No.
I reckon that might, when we actually do put the real aluminium on,
yes,
we might as well just do that and then bend it up where you want it, and then when it settles, then make the brackets to match.
Yes, and I reckon you're only talking about there. Aren't you?
Yeah. So the question is how far we go back, because obviously it's only being held on by the front. There's going to be nothing at the back, so you don't want it too far back. Otherwise, it's just going to be flopping in the breeze, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it'd be lovely if you could have a one piece, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
What, into this?
Yeah.
Into that
possibly, and have a welder bolt nut on this side and just pull it up to that. No, would that work? Right on the bottom of the handbrake.
There you go.
Oh yes. Right. So we're only going to this.
Yeah, go on.
Price.
Yeah, okay.
I think I've marked it back. Well, let me come in off here.
Yeah, go on, just in case.
Something like it. I expect I'm a bit lower there.
Than we'll get inventive.
There you go.
Right, yeah. Excellent. Go on, you're going to freehand it.
Freehand like that.
Now, I don't own a jigsaw, but I do own...
Everything's in the land, man. Got one.
Have you? But I do
with metal blades.
Have you? Mm-hmm. I've got a reciprocating saw. Sorry, neighbours.
That's actually easier than a jigsaw because jigsaws bind.
What's that? Is that threaded? Is that just a hole? But we could easily put a captive nut in there.
Could you?
Yeah, you drill it out. You basically weld.
Then weld one in.
Well, yeah, weld a nut to a washer.
Yeah.
Make that so the nut goes inside the thing, and then just weld the washer on.
Yeah.
Job done.
Do that.
Alfie! You alright, mate? Yeah. Come see what's wrong with the mate at MG. Yeah. Here's me arse. Yeah, thanks, mate. Thank you. What is it about cats and arses? I don't know.
They do it all the time.
It's a right mess in here, mate, I'm afraid.
What do you reckon, Alf?
Yeah, right mess.
Yeah. It's not that bad, mate.
No. You should see Glenn's workshop.
Yes. Yes, you should.
Well, unfortunately, I didn't record this bit, but there's a bracket that mounts underneath the gearbox, and we thought that would be another good place to mount the protection to. But we needed some drop downs. In the end, we got some tube, and I got some of these just normal nuts. I put those inside the tube, welded them up, and then we had basically little captive nut extensions. Lovely.
Oh, that's a proper jack.
Yeah, I love that jack. It's
lovely,
brilliant.
isn't it?
It's beastly. Bit overkill for a classic Mini, but it's for many other jobs. It's good.
We could just nut and bolt the thing on, but why not use countersunk stainless steel bolts? Yeah, that's a pro look, isn't it?
Right, I think that's pretty cool, mate.
I think you've done absolute business.
So, do you know what? I don't think that actually needs bending up.
Probably.
Because look, it's just under the lip. There's not gonna.
Time you've pulled the brackets to the right length.
Is that actually touching the exhaust at that end? It looks really tight from here.
No, I don't
but
think so.
It's not.
No.
It's actually trimmed
Rainbow.
just right.
The
Good.
old plumber's eye got in there.
I mean, you could do all sorts of things. You could have flares up here to stop the shit from going up the front, but you don't need it, do you?
No, I mean, have you got one of those braces on that side?
Oh, what? Do it from the drop
do it from-
rather than
yeah,
from here?
rather than
Just go
touch
from
that.
there.
Yeah, go.
Oh, that's a. Oh,
Don't you
okay.
think? Yeah.
These are like factory tie downs.
that won't bust, will it?
Flipping out, that's beefy as you like.
Yeah,
That's welded
I
on,
think
isn't
that's
it?
the way to go.
Just a bracket that comes
Just a
down.
bracket down goes on here with a countersunk.
Right, we've got a plan. Sorry, neighbours.
One day. He didn't care. Up to the position, does it? Is it good?
Yeah, it's bloody spot on.
It is, isn't it? Yeah. So if I get a pen,
You like it in the MG, do you, Alfie? What do you reckon, mate? It's alright, it's not too bad. It's nice and warm. That's really nice, and it all cut out.
it's lovely, isn't it?
Follows the exhaust.
It sits on steel plate all the way, doesn't
Yeah.
it? So it's not going to vibrate, is it?
No.
I'm saying, I think on the works finished example, we'll round those corners.
Yeah.
Same on the back.
And you can just tweak that up,
Yeah,
up or
that
down.
wants a kick.
Does, doesn't it?
I think in
Just
the
there,
final one.
just
yeah,
there.
just in the press.
Yes, you're definitely lower on your side.
This is.
Yeah. It could be, but also there's nothing to stop,
Well,
There goes fixed.
yeah, I was going to say.
Look at that, it's flipping fixed
I mean,
now.
the proper alley one, I'll get Paul
Yeah.
to set that up so it's underneath here.
Well, it actually does. It looks bob on now.
Yeah.
Excellent. Right.
Brilliant.
Let's clear some tools away and get it on the ground.
Jack her off and
Right, I want to call that phase one done. We need to now find some actual aluminium to make that skid pan out of. And, we're already starting to think about, speed holes or air holes or extra bits to cover the exhaust or, whatever. So if you want to see that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Thank you very much. Ta-ta for now.
Got any cats in there?
no.
No. Right. You check for cats.